Okay, so that's the bow there, going there, alive. There's another one back there. There's a bunch of tree. There's a bunch of scratch mark on those three. There's a bunch of broken stuff. And there's big track here. Going up here. You can see how flat it is. All going up that way. You can see all right here. All of that. There. There's lots of flat ground here. Going up from the creek. And I just got that. Nice looking. There's some nice sparkling in there, eh? All that bottom thing, there's whole bunch, see, it's all goldish. Look at that. I don't know, maybe I should take sample. There's tons of it. Look at that. Okay, there's that break there. It's a whole break. Everything is straight around it, so there's no point that it should be broken. It's shorter than all the rest, but you guys are going to be amazed. That's quite a twisted bow. If it's Mother Nature that do that stuff, I might as well go back to bed. Just joking. You're gonna be funny. See how scavenged that place is, all broke down it is, and tapped down, and the trail all flat. Oh, you're gonna be amazed by that tree. If it's Mother Nature, it's all flat everywhere. Well, kind of normal, but look at that bow. Look what they did with that thing. This one has been busted, broken on the ground. Look at this one. Look where it was going and what they did with it. Look at that. It's going to the right, and it's been, there's lots of big print there. See, there's a whole bunch of broken stuff everywhere. Look at that thing. Look at that thing. Is that normal, guys? Look at the angle on that. The tree's pushed that way, and it's bowed and come back this way to pass on the side of that tree. That's pretty amazing, guys. If it's Mother Nature that do that, I'm very amazed. I can say that for sure. And it's all tapped on here. You can see deer print too, but like there's lots of flat stuff. I can't believe that. It's coming this way and it's been pushed back the other way. See, it's all flat on the ground here. Little bow. I'll go the other side. It's just amazing. And it's alive, guys. Like, it's not dead. It's not even dead. Wow, look at those cliffs, eh? I should scan that for a minute. See all the ground here? Everything has been crunched up. Look at that bow. Look at that tree where it started back there. Well, from this side it's going to the left, and it's been bent back to come back on the side of this one. It's just amazing. And there's still a bunch of branch left on that tree. I don't know how they scraped it in. It's so funny. That big rock has been moved out, you can see. And the trail passed right here. Amazing, amazing, guys. I don't know, but we might not be alone. It look like bear. I had to take some clothes off. I was just cooking. Well, shut it down. It's kind of longer. That's very flat. It's been moved around, but it's very flat around it. Let's go see around the cliff. Ledge. See? Look at those branches. That's been traveled many times. Look at this, all the bark is going away. I'm just looking around at the same time because there's some print that are pretty fresh out here, so. Okay, so I'm on the side of the ledge, as you can see. There's some flat stuff right there. And I'm looking around me and behind me at the same time because I'm not trusting behind me. Okay, which one I want to go see? I don't see too much in the viewfinder, so I'm trying to find some dark spot and look toward them. And I'm looking around me at the same time, so I might go a little bit everywhere, you know. I'm at the end of the zoom now, so. Branches are moving, it's pretty windy, so. The river is way below there. There's trail going down. I'm gonna go do another couple click. See, the trail goes way down, right down to the creek. Oh, there's a broken tree.